Pleasant morning to one and all. I am Dr. Sumitra, an associate professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I am here to present you about the virtual memory in operating system. The virtual memory is a memory management technique that creates an idealized abstraction of the resources that are actually available on the given machine. The purpose it allows a program to access more memory than it's physically available by using a disk space as a virtual memory. The main benefits of this is an isolation efficiency. Each program gets an illusion that it has its own continuous memory space, prevents an interference from other program. Efficiency is where allows a program to be larger than the physical memory and supports a multitasking. The addressing concepts is where the logical versus physical address. The logical addresses used by the CPU to access a memory which is in virtual addresses. The physical address is where the actual location in physical memory as a RAM. The address translation, how the logical addressings are mapped to the physical addressing using a hardware like memory management unit. The page table, the data structure used to store the mapping between the logical and the physical addresses. Mainly, the paging is where the is a memory management scheme that eliminates the need for contiguous allocations of memory physical memory, thus eliminating the problem of fragmentation. The page and the fragments or page is a fixed size block of logical memory and frame or a fixed size block of physical memory. The page table stores a mapping of pages to a frame. The page fault occurs when a program tries to access a data that is not in a physical memory, so it must be fetched from the disk. The segmentation is where the segmentation divides a memory into a variable sized segments such as code, data, and stack. The difference from paging, unlike a paging which divides a memory into a fixed size block, segmentation divides a memory based on logical division. The segmented table is used to manage as a segments, storing the base and the limits of each segments. The virtual memory and the disk. The swap space when the physical memory is full, and the OS uses a section of the hard disk called a swap space to store the inactive data. The swapping is where it is a process of transferring a data between the RAM and the disk. The page replacement algorithm is used to decide which pages to swap out when the memory is full. Performance issue is where crashing occurs when the system spends more time swapping pages than executing the process, leading to severe performance degradation. And the performance issue is where its trapping occurs when the system spends more time swapping pages than executing the process, leading to this severe performance degradation. Optimization, how the operating system can manage a memory more efficiently to avoid trashing, such as by using a better page replacement algorithm or justifying the size of the working speed. As virtual memories were considered, the swapping of space when the physical memory is full, the operating system uses the sections of the hard disk with called as swap space to store an inactive data, and swapping like a process of transferring a data between the RAM and the disk. The place replacement algorithm is where the algorithm used to decide which pages to swap out when memory is full with the FIFO and LRU and optimal. The performance issues where trashing occurs when the system spends more time swapping pages than executing the process, leading to the several performance degradation. The optimization, how the operating system can manages the memory efficiently to avoid a trashing, such as by using a better page replacement algorithm or adjusting the size of the working set. So hence we can consider the practical examples and the use case, how the virtual memory is used with the large applications that exceeds an available physical memory, multitasking and running a multiple process simultaneously, and the real world examples of virtual memory in modern operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Just recapping over overall take-up reviews, the virtual memory will also help in stimulating a large memory space using a physical storage, enabling the program to use more memory than the system's physical RAM. The technique like paging and segmentations helps managers how the memory is allotted and accessed. The efficient memory management is crucial to avoid an issue like crashing and ensuring a smooth system operations. I hope you're clear with this concept. Thank you.